In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from India to UK with Wise. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to tap and why each choice matters. First, open the Wise app on your mobile device. This is your starting point for creating a new transfer. On the home screen, tap Send. This takes you into the flow where Wise sets up the transfer details behind the scenes. Next, tap Add Recipient. You're telling Wise who should receive the money, which ensures the funds land in the right place. Because we're sending to the United Kingdom, set the recipient's currency to GBP. Selecting GBP makes sure the transfer routes correctly to a UK account and helps Wise show you the right fields. You'll now see a few ways to add the recipient. You can search for them if they're on Wise, add bank details directly, upload a screenshot or invoice for reference, or pay by email. These options exist so you can choose what you already have on hand. For this walkthrough, choose bank details. It's the most common way to send to a UK bank account. Wise will ask who your recipient is. Pick the option that best fits, such as an individual or a business. This helps Wise display the right fields and format the details properly. Enter the recipient's email address. This is used to send them updates about the transfer. Don't worry if the email isn't linked to their bank, it's just for notifications and receipts. Now choose the type of bank details you'll provide: local bank account, IBAN, or SWIFT. For the UK, local bank account is typically the fastest and most cost-effective, since UK accounts use sort code and account number. IBAN isn't commonly used for domestic UK accounts, and SWIFT is for international routing and can be slower. Enter the account holder's full name exactly as it appears on the bank account. Accuracy matters here to avoid delays. Then enter the UK sort code. It's 6 digits, often written with dashes like 12, 34, or 56. You can type it as digits, and Wise will format it. After that, enter the 8-digit account number. Double-check both the sort code and the account number before continuing. A single wrong digit can send money to the wrong place. When everything looks correct, tap Continue. That saves your recipient and moves you forward to complete the transfer. And that's it. Your recipient is set up for sending money from India to the UK with Wise, quickly and reliably.